Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign up for a online banking account on Santander Bank. Santander Bank offers an array of financial services and products including retail banking, mortgages, cash management, credit card, capital markets, wealth management and insurance. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a santanderbank.com and press enter. At the official web page of Santander Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on login. Here you will see login form page where you need to provide your account credential, then get logged in into the online banking account of Santander Bank. As we are going to get a new register, you need to click on the link given, that is first time user enroll now. Now here for the enrollment in the online banking account of Santander Bank, you need to go from 4 process, that is identification, verification, creation and success. At first you need to provide for your identification. First of all you click on the drop down menu. Then you go in for choosing either account number or ATM debit or credit card. As I'm going with the account number, then you go in for providing your account number. Then you provide your last 4 digits of social security number. If you do not have your social security number SSN, then you click on don't have SSN, then go in for further instruction that has been provided. After you provide all the details, you click on continue where you will be moved toward to verification process where you need to verify your identity. Then moving forward, you will be moved towards creation section where you need to create a password for your account. Then at last, you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Santander Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online banking account on Santander Bank. Thank you.